Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Logitech G HUB not launching problem. So if your G HUB won't open and you're stuck, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Settings, then press Enter to open it. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps from the menu on the left. Then click on Installed Apps to see all the programs and apps on your PC. Next, use the search bar and type Logitech G HUB. When it appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and select Modify. Now choose the Reinstall G HUB option and click Reinstall. If you want to keep your current settings, make sure to tick the box that says Transfer My Current Settings. This way, you won't lose any of your profiles or preferences. Once the reinstall is complete, try opening Logitech G HUB again. It should launch without any problems now. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the G HUB not launching issue quickly and get back to using your Logitech devices without any hassle.